Specifications Writing Workshop for Engineers. Specifications Writing for Engineers is an extraordinary specifications writing training workshop for engineers and technical professionals. Specifications Writing for Engineers is a multidisciplinary preparing acquainting the rules that apply with compelling determination writing.It is a down-to-earth 2-day intuitive program investigating great detail rule, guides, works out, cases, contextual analyses, gather tasks and exchanges. Who should attend? Specification writing is designed for multidiscipline project managers, engineers, procurement specialists of all types. The course will also benefit suppliers and anyone else involved in planning, writing, managing or contributing to the preparation of specifications. Key learning objectives. Portray what the specifications and prerequisites specifications are. Portray the part and reason for specifications. Portray intersteps associated with making compelling specifications. Run down distinctive strategies for determining. Look into RFI, RFQ, RFP, IFB, and design build. Portray contrasts amongst capacity and performance arranged versus configuration situated specifications. Figure out how to best unscramble up or demand for information, RFI, request for proposal, RFP, IFB, or design build. Create abilities to productively utilize investigation to best structure, get ready and compose particular. Create aptitudes to compose better specifications. Figure out how to best manage unnecessary clarification and ambiguous prerequisites. Instructions to apply syntax, basic sentence structure, and right accentuation to enhance your determination writing abilities. Course agenda, topics. Introductions to specifications. Methods of specifying. Descriptive specification. Performance specification. Reference standard specification. Proprietary specification. Descriptive and proprietary combination specification. Performance specifying. Specifications versus systems engineering requirements. Difference between IFB, design build, RFP, RFI and RFQ. Specification and drawings. Statements of work, SO, versus specifications. Performance versus design specifications. Engineering management concerns on specifications. More topics in this workshop. Scope of specifications, challenges in writing specifications, specification writing rules, and guidelines, how to write better specification, in-class activities, Workshop 1, Writing Clear Specifications, Workshop 2, Specification Language, Workshop 3, Grammar Review. Learn more. Specifications Writing Training Workshop for Engineers.